another thing, Captain. They've knocked out our lines of communication. If we don't get a phone up there in a hurry, we're in big trouble. Do you read me, Captain?
Son, it's taken me 30 years to become a general. Now, unless you remember that, you're in big trouble. Understand?
Yes, sir, General.
Now, where can I find 3 screwballs nutty enough to volunteer for this dangerous mission?
Yeah.
Now, don't let that line get fouled up, you knuckleheads, and for Pete's sake, keep it quiet. If the enemy hears us, we'll get clobbered. Hello?
This is Big Lou. I'm laying off 20 grand on Ida Red in the 3rd race at Santa Anita. If she loses, you're in trouble.
What the heck's wrong with this phone?
We ought to let General Nuisance know where we are.
Yeah, maybe he can send us some help.
Good idea. Hello? Hello?
What number were you calling?
Operator, I want General Nuisance.
1 moment, please.
General Nuisance, we got a problem. That's right, sir. You'd better get some help to us right away. We're getting clobbered. Oh, I know it's a big request, sir, but get a hold of yourself. This is ridiculous. They got our range again.
Who needs the stove at a time like this?
Careful now. We're almost there. Hello? Who? 1 moment. It's for you.
Hello? Oh, hello, Mama. Yes, Mama. We're all right. Yes, Mama. I'll tell him. Goodbye, Mama. That was Mama. She says, be nice boys and don't fight.
Mothers are like that. Excuse us, sir. We're looking for Captain Holcomb.
General Von Vons do? Now, do you have any ridiculous last requests that I can turn down? Hello, General Von Vons here, speaking. Oh? 1 moment. It's for you.
Thank you. Hello? Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. You bet, sir. I'll tell him, sir. Hold on.
Well?
General Nuisance says either you guys surrender or he blows this place up.
Ha ha ha! With you stonkers as hostages, don't be silly.
He knows you can't do it, sir, because we're here. He's pretty clever. Right, sir? You really know how to hurt a guy.
We surrender.
We'll probably get a medal for this, eh, Mo?
I wouldn't count on it, Porcupine.